Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code and Chill. Today we will be learning about local versus global variables in Python and how you can interact between them inside and outside of a function. So let us make a variable x is equals to fans and let us define a function hello, and inside the function let's have another variable x with balls as a string, and now let's print x over here inside the function, and let's go out of the function and call the hello function for executing it, and then let's print x over here. So let us execute the code and we will walk through how the different variables are being set over here. Let's just comment it out. Yeah, so as you can see, the first output is balls and the second one is fans. So the first line that got executed is the hello function. If we go inside the hello function, there is x is equals to ball and print x. This x will fetch this variable x, not this variable, which is a global variable. Since it's inside, since it's outside the hello function and in the main code flow, so this will act as a global variable and this will act as a local variable. So when Python hello function goes to print x, it will search within its local scope if the variable is present or not. There is a general convention, let me just write it for you. It's called LEGB, which stands for local, global, sorry, enclosing, global, and built-in. So this is the general convention in which Python searches for a variable inside its scope. This is a scope rule. First it searches in the local scope, then it goes to the enclosing, which means different nesting. If two functions are nested, then it will go outside the function to the next enclosed variable, and then it will go to the global scope, then built-in. Built-in are the built-in or the keywords of the Python. So this is the scope. So first it will search in the local scope according to L, and it finds X variable here, so it directly prints the balls. So first will be balls, and if we go to the next line, print X, this is the global scope. It will search its scope for finding the X variable, and it finds X is fans, which is a global one, so it automatically prints the fans. So as you can see, this x is a local to this function and this x will be global. So, so what you can do to access the global variable x fans inside the function. So there is a keyword called global x. This will let you access the global keyword x over here, which has been assigned the fans string. So if we do print over here, so as you can see, this printed the fans and fans two times. So first hello will print this global x, which is fans, then the print x will automatically print the fans. So as you can see, we can access the global variable inside a function by using the global keyword followed by the variable name. So this is how the global and local variables are accessed and interacted with. Thank you. Please subscribe and like my channel Code and Chill. Have a nice day.